afternoon, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So today we have a beautiful day and we are going to get out here and tackle this mess over here. We bought some trash bags with us, and we've also got the side-by-side and the ATV to load up all the trash onto, and then we are going to go ahead and get this all cleaned up. And if we have time after cleaning this up, hubby bought me a new blade for the weed eater that is supposed to like cut through stuff like butter. So we're gonna give that a try too and see if we can cut down some more of this brush before we lose any light. So let's get started.
You can adjust it still. Right now it's just adjusted to kind of level. But if I was to adjust it down deeper, it'll go deeper. But you don't want to go deep, huh?
Just level.
So we don't even have to plow it up then. You want to?
No, we're gonna fill it with mulch, and then there's gonna be a lot. But we need to fill it with mulch and then
good dirt.
Good dirt, and then put trees here.
First good dirt, then the mulch.
Yeah.
Well, we can rake that down. Sift it out, huh? And I couldn't get up there. I wanted to, but if I level it, you see the leveler on that. But you want me to get it down or no?
That's fine. I think the rain is gonna wash it down anyways.
All right, friends. I think we got a lot accomplished here. We got all of the trash out of there. There's still a lot of glass still in there, but it is what it is. We can't get it all out. We have decided after seeing all the glass that's in here, we are not going to be putting animals over here at all. I don't want to risk the chance of the animals getting stuck with glass. So we are going to end up putting some ornamental trees in here, our shade trees. That way our cows and will eventually have a place for shade in the near future. So we're just going to finish clearing this out at another date. We're already tired and we're just going to call it a day. But I am really, really happy with how well it looks. We also took out the barbed wire fence that was right here so my father-in-law can get in there with the tractor, as you saw. And it looks really, really good. I'm really impressed. So we will do this another day, which is trimming down all the brush. We're gonna go inside. We're tired. So I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.